Hi guys, welcome to ARIVU channel. If this video is useful to you, like, share and subscribe. This is the Python series part 15. In the last session, we have discussed about loop control statement. And in the loop control statements, we have completed only about break statement. Okay, what is loop control statement? Loop control statement is used to alter or control the flow of the loop execution based on specified conditions. Okay, and what is break statement? Break statement is used to break or terminate the execution of the loop containing it and transfers the execution to the next statement following the loop. Okay, and in this session we will discuss about the continue loop control statement. Okay, what is continue statement? Continue statement is used to forces the loop to continue or execute the next iteration of the loop. When the continue statement is executed, the code inside the loop following the continue statement will be skipped and the next iteration of the loop will be in. Let's see this example. Here I have initialized the variable I. I value is 0. Here I have implemented the while loop. Okay, so while loop original setup is printing the numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, but I want to skip in between. What I will do? I can use the continue statement. Okay, so continue statement is used to forces the loop to execute or continue the next iteration of the loop. Okay, so for the first iteration, I value is 0, less than 10, returns true. So the control comes inside the while block and the value of I will be updated to 1. And here, decision making statement. So this is the condition I double equal 4. After the evaluation of this expression, we will get false only because I value is 1 only. 1 double equal 4 returns false only. Okay, so what happens? The if block will be skipped and the control comes the 7th line and this number will be printed and the I value, that is 1, will be printed on our console. And the control jumps from the 7th line to the 3rd line. Now what is the value of I? Now the value of I is 1. 1 less than 10. Returns true only, so the control comes inside the while block and here the I value will be updated to 2. Okay, and here this is the condition 2 double equal 4 returns false only. Again the if block will be skipped and this print statement will be executed, that is 2 will be printed on our console. And the control jumps from the 7th line to 3rd line. Now the value of I is 2. Okay, 2 less than 10 returns true only. The control comes inside the while block and the I value will be updated to 3. So now 3 double equal 4 returns false only. Again this if block will be skipped and the value of I, that is 3, will be printed on our console. Okay, and the control jumps from the 7th line to the 3rd line. Okay, so this is the 4th iteration. Okay, here what is the value of I? 3. 3 less than 10 returns true only. So the control comes inside the while block and the I value will be updated to 4. Now, after the evaluation of this expression, we will get true because I value is 4. Double equal 4 returns true only. So the if block will be executed, that is this continue statement will be executed. If the continue statement is executed means what happens? The statement following the continue statement will be skipped and the next iteration only will be executed. Am I correct? So what happens here? This 4 won't to be printed on our console. Okay, and the control jumps from the 7th line to the 3rd line. Okay, now the value of I is 4. Okay, 4 less than 10 returns true only. Now the value of I will be updated to 5. Okay, now if I value is equal to 4, that is 5 double equal 4 returns false only. False means this statement will be skipped and the value 5 will be printed on our console. Likewise, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 will be printed. But this value, that is when the I value becomes 4, that value alone won't be printed on our console. Let me execute this one. So this is my output. 1, 2, 3, but 4 is not printed here. Why? Because when the value of I becomes 4, what happens? The continue statement is executed. That's why we didn't get the 4 on my console. Okay, because what is the role of the continue statement? If the continue statement is executed means the following loop statement won't be executed. Okay, that's why we didn't get 4 here. Okay, got it? Okay, now I change this value. I greater than or equal to 3 and I less than or equal to 5. So, when the value of I greater than or equal to 3 and the value of I less than or equal to 5, the continuous statement will be executed. That means what? We won't get 3, 4, 5 on my console. Okay, we will get only 1, 2 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let me execute again the same. Here 1, 2, from 3 up to 5 are not printed here because of this continuous statement. Okay, so with the help of continuous statement, we can skip the loop iterations. Okay, actually original while loop setup is printing the numbers from 1 to 10, but I don't want to print the numbers from 3 to 5. What I will do? I can use the continuous statement. Okay, now I don't want to print the number 2 and number 9. What I will do? I change this number equal to 2. Instead of AND operator, here I have used the OR operator and number 9. So double equal 9. So what is the result for this? When the I value equal to 2 or I value equal to 9, these two numbers won't be executed because of this continuous statement. Got it? So we will get only 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 10. Okay, we won't get 2 and 9. Okay, let me execute the same again. So number 2 is not printed and number 9 is not printed. Got it? So break statement is used to terminate the loop. Okay. Continuous statement is used to skip the iterations of the loop. That's it. Okay. I hope you all understood. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.